Hey, it's me, Sasha. I'm back. I have another card for us, and it's very simple. This is the, as soon as I can find it, Stacy Stamps by stacystamps.com. I found it on Amazon, and it's a rubber stamp, and then it has it's like a piece of paper you peel off, and then it sticks to. Like, I use this one because it's bigger, and then it sticks to it. All we're going to do is stamp this and emboss, and then I'm doing two because I have two different mats I want to try out. One's a light purple and one's a dark purple, and I want to see which one looks best. So, let's get started. For this, I will be using the Friskers. I don't know exactly what you would call this. Either a block, because I don't have the Misty. And then using the Distress ink, embossing ink from Tim Holtz again. And that looks really good. I just want to make sure I put enough pressure because this has a lot of detail. And then I will end up trimming this down. Because all I did is took the 8.5 by 11, cut it at 5.5, and then cut it at 4 1/4. And I will make 4 of these, but I'm only using 2. Okay. I am using, it's like a brown, a reddish brown. I'm actually going to put one on the bottom, and then anything that drops from this one will go on this one. Okay, there's both of them. Now I'm going to heat them up, and then we'll set them, and then we'll trim them down and decide. We're going to do one with the light and one with the dark purple, and then I have a brown to mat it behind. This one, it was a little bit harder to see if it was turning or not. But there's both of them. This one's a little bit lighter than this one, but this one was stamped first. So it dried a little bit more, and then this one was stamped second. You can tell more detail rather than this one. That trim down took it from 4 1/4 to 5 1/2 to 3 1/2 to 4 3/4. And all I'm doing is just cutting down every 1/4, because I measured what it was from here to here, ends up being 1/4. And this one is 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. So I'm going to go 3 1/2. Let's go 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And there we go. And then this one, we will go 3 3/4 by 5. And then for the brown mat, all I'm doing is going 1/4 inch bigger than the last sheet of paper. So I'm going to go 4 by 5 1/4. There's that one. And then we can go 3 3/4 by 5. And then we're all done with that. So that took a little bit longer, but I'm not good with measurements, so it's just go up by 1/4 inch every time. See how it looks before you glue it down, and then if you want to take a little bit off, you can. If you want a bigger border, make a bigger border. It's all on what you want to do. I'm still learning. Everyone else is still learning. We will figure it out. Okay, so finally you can get, you don't have to be watching me cut paper and glue it on. So there's the two. One's a lighter, one's a darker. And I think I like the darker one better rather than the lighter one. I think it sets more of the colors. It kind of builds up to it. The lighter maybe sets it off a little bit more. So, let me know if you like the cards. I do like the darker one better. I feel like, if I can center it, I feel like it sets it up and makes it pop a little bit more rather than the light one. So, if you like what you see, leave a comment on the bottom, subscribe, and then send me a message, and then I will put a link for my blog, and you can check my blog out. Because every time I make a video, I'm writing in the description now what I did, and then a little bit more insight of what I do during the day. So, have a good day.